Introduction to the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, thrived from around 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE in what is now modern-day Pakistan and northwest India. It is one of the world's earliest urban societies, characterized by well-planned cities, advanced infrastructure, and cultural sophistication. Its significance lies in its contributions to early human civilization, including advancements in urban planning, trade networks, and possibly early forms of writing. The civilization's ruins and artifacts continue to be a source of fascination for archaeologists, offering insights into the origins of complex societies and the development of human civilization. Urban planning and infrastructure. The Indus Valley Civilization exhibited remarkable urban planning and infrastructure for its time, flourishing around 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. Cities such as Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa featured well-organized street layouts, advanced drainage systems, and multi-story buildings. Streets were laid out in a grid pattern, with houses made of baked brick arranged in neat rows. The cities boasted sophisticated sanitation systems, including covered drains and sewers that efficiently disposed of waste. Additionally, public buildings, granaries, and citadels showcased the civilization's architectural prowess. The advanced urban planning and infrastructure of the Indus Valley Civilization are testament to its highly organized society and technological sophistication. Economy and trade networks. The economy of the Indus Valley Civilization was characterized by vibrant trade networks and agricultural prosperity. The civilization engaged in extensive trade with regions as far as Mesopotamia, evidenced by artifacts found in archaeological sites. The civilization's strategic location along major trade routes facilitated the exchange of goods such as pottery, jewelry, textiles, and possibly even metals like copper and gold. Agriculture played a crucial role, with crops like wheat, barley, and cotton cultivated in the fertile river valleys. This thriving economy supported the growth of urban centers and contributed to the prosperity of the civilization as a whole. Daily life and cultural diversity. The daily life of the Indus Valley Civilization was marked by a mix of agricultural activities, trade, and cultural diversity. People engaged in farming, cultivating crops such as wheat, barley, and cotton, while also participating in trade networks that extended across the region. Artifacts reveal a diverse cultural landscape, with influences from various ethnic groups reflected in the civilization's art, pottery, and jewelry. The cities were bustling centers of activity, with evidence of well-organized residential areas, public baths, and advanced drainage systems indicating a sophisticated urban lifestyle. Religion likely played a significant role, although specific beliefs remain uncertain. Overall, the Indus Valley Civilization thrived as a melting pot of cultures, contributing to its rich tapestry of daily life and societal interactions. Religion and artistic expression. The religious beliefs and artistic expression of the Indus Valley Civilization are intriguing yet elusive aspects of its culture. While specific details about their religion remain uncertain due to the lack of deciphered texts, archaeological findings suggest a reverence for nature and possibly deities associated with fertility and water. Ritual bathing areas, fire altars, and figurines hint at religious practices, with some scholars speculating on the presence of a proto-Shiva figure. Artistic expression in the civilization is evident through pottery, jewelry, sculpture, and seals. Intricate designs featuring animals, plants, and geometric patterns adorn artifacts, reflecting a sophisticated aesthetic sense. The famous Indus seals depict various scenes and symbols, potentially serving as markers of identity, trade, or religious significance. Despite the challenges of deciphering their religious beliefs and the complexity of their artistic expression, the artifacts of the Indus Valley Civilization provide tantalizing glimpses into a culture that valued creativity, symbolism, and spiritual reverence. Challenges and decline. The Indus Valley Civilization faced several challenges that eventually led to its decline. Environmental factors such as climate change, deforestation, and fluctuations in river courses likely affected agricultural productivity and disrupted the civilization's economy. Evidence suggests that the Ghaggar-Hakra river system, which sustained many Indus Valley settlements, experienced reduced water flow during this period. Additionally, the civilization may have faced external pressures such as invasions or conflicts with neighboring groups. While the exact causes of the decline remain debated, archaeological evidence indicates signs of violence and destruction in some Indus Valley cities. By around 1900 BCE, the once flourishing cities of the Indus Valley were largely abandoned, marking the end of the civilization's urban phase. The decline of the Indus Valley Civilization remains a topic of ongoing research and debate among historians and archaeologists, highlighting the complexities of understanding ancient societies and their eventual demise. Legacy and continued exploration. The legacy of the Indus Valley Civilization is enduring, as it represents one of the earliest examples of urban life in complex societies in human history. Its sophisticated urban planning, advanced infrastructure, and cultural achievements continue to captivate scholars and inspire curiosity about our ancient past. Ongoing research into the civilization's remains, artifacts, and deciphering of its undeciphered script contribute to our understanding of this enigmatic civilization. Preservation efforts are essential in safeguarding the archaeological sites and artifacts from degradation and destruction, ensuring that future generations can continue to learn from and appreciate this ancient marvel. Understanding the Indus Valley Civilization is crucial for gaining insights into the origins of human civilization, the development of urban societies, and the complexities of ancient cultures. It serves as a reminder of the resilience and ingenuity of our ancestors and underscores the importance of preserving and learning from our shared heritage. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of the Indus Valley Civilization, we deepen our understanding of humanity's journey and enrich our appreciation for the diverse tapestry of human history. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it informative and helpful in expanding your knowledge. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.